सभी को नमस्कार। I am S. Shivakumar, General Secretary, AI PSNL EA, Central Headquarters, New Delhi. I want to impress upon you regarding the major achievement of AI business. That is a mega promotion issued during the month of June 2018. AI business a clear vision and positive approach benefited more than 14,000 executives for getting the promotion in the history of BSNL and DOT. AI BSNL leaders persuaded with the BSNL management, board of directors, CMD, DOT secretary, joint secretary admin and other officers and requested regular promotion in the cadre of JTO to DE has to be issued before the implementation of CPSC hierarchy, since RR are going to be abolished. The DOT officers and the BSNL board of directors and the CMD has accepted the suggestion of the only one association AI BSNL and issued the promotion order. It is a great victory, mega victory of AI BSNL, despite our friends, sister association, the so-called majority association, wanted to stall the promotion in the name of CPSC hierarchy. We stood as a warrior and won in the race. That is AI BSNL, comrades. Like that, during the month of April, May, June, you kindly see the sites of the so-called majority association and the savior association who are singing the song of DRs. They are telling court cases are there. CPSC hierarchy to be implemented. No regular promotion. Now they are claiming that they have got regular promotion. Who has got regular promotion? History will speak. The whole HR team under the leadership of Director HR has done the promotion as per the continuous efforts of the AI BSNL. Finally, we won. Director HR called Comrade Prahlad ji, ex-General Secretary and Shivakumar CUC President, to her room to issue the promotion order. In a token of our appreciation, we have called the CH office for a Central Secretary meeting in Delhi during 27th June and 28th June and appreciated the whole team under the leadership of Director HR. Whereas our friends, the so-called majority association, called their CUC officer, Central Secretary, Central President to come to Delhi to garrow the BSNL board of directors to stop and stall this regular promotion in the name of CPSC hierarchy. Finally, due to the AI BSNL, we got the big victory. Like that, our young brothers, the so-called Savior Association, who are singing the song of Saviors of DR, has gone to the Kerala High Court and got the contempt order against the CMD for the promotion of JTO to ST in the name of 1:1. They have stalled the JTO to ST promotion. Now, due to the second MP, they are singing the song of DR. They are shedding crocodile tears, stating that BSNL management is dragging the promotion from 6 to 20 years and returned the letter to the minister also. Now they are telling legal opinions to be obtained. Why you are not withdrawing your contempt petition against CMD? Why you are stopping the promotion of all the 6,000 to 8,000 DRs? So these AIJTO who are singing the song of saviors are not the original saviors. Kindly identify these liars. Who is the real, what is the real face of this sister association? Whether it is a so-called majority association, whether it is a so-called savior association, what is the real face? They are against regular promotion. They are working for their selfish motives. How many court cases are filed by these major association? Even a single case was not filed by AI BSNL. Hence, we requested comrades, you have to vote for AI BSNL. In addition to that, on 10th August and 11th August, these two associations, majority association SNA and as well as the so-called savior AIJT, approached General Secretary AI BSNL and requested by giving the letter due to the quality of services offered by the AI BSNL, kindly support us. Like that they have given a letter. But we, from the field level, we got the report that we have a marvelous support from the members of non-members as well as the majority association members as well as the savior association member. We will come as a majority association with a tremendous victory. That is the news. So our circle secretary meeting, CUG body unanimously decided to go as usual, single-handed, without going with the support of anybody, and prove our strength and prove our identity in the days to come. Hence, our beloved sister, brothers, our young comrades, DRJTO, DRJOs, and senior comrades, I fervently appeal, kindly cast your vote in favor of the great A. Besale, which has done a magnificent struggle which paves the way for achieving of HR demands in the A. Besale, make history by electing A. Besale for saving the BSNL, to make the BSNL as a vibrant BSNL and safeguard the interests of all the executives in the days to come.
Number 1.
And cast your vote in number 1 to make the A. Besale as a majority decision. Thank you, comrade. Dhanyavad.